If a recruiter watched a 30-second video of you before they ever opened your resume, would they immediately understand your value? Or would they scroll past you in the first 3 seconds? Because that's exactly where hiring is going. Not long, boring cover letters, not keyword stuffed resumes that all look the same, but short, story driven video intros powered by AI and verified with watermarks that prove the content is yours. And Sora-2, OpenAI's newest video engine, has just made that future show up a lot faster. Before we dive in, hit the thumbs up. It lets this video reach more job seekers who need a competitive edge. And it tells me to keep giving you tools that help you get hired faster. I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and thrive in the AI era so you can land the job you really want. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to use Sora-2, or any AI video tool you have access to create a powerful, memorable video resume that gets attention in 2025. You do not need to be on camera. You do not need editing skills, and you do not need studio lighting. You just need clarity, structure, and the right AI prompts. Let's get into it. Video resumes used to be optional, a nice to have, something creative roles experimented with. That's over. AI recruiters, hiring assistants, and automated screening tools now consume video content the same way humans do. And here's the part most job seekers don't realize. AI models retain video content far better than they retain text. Recruiters do too. People remember 10% of what they read, 20% of what they hear, 95% of what they see in video. So when two resumes show similar experience, but one person has a 30-second video introducing who they are, how they solve problems, and what they're looking for, that person becomes memorable. That person becomes human. That person becomes the safer hire. Sora-2 brings something new into the game: cinematic quality, scene-level control, watermarks that tie video to your account, proving authenticity, and the ability to visualize your story in a way that feels like a mini documentary. But do you need Sora-2 specifically? Not yet. It's still in limited release. But you can do exactly what I'm about to teach you using HeyGen, Pictory.ai, Animoto, VEED, or any AI video generator you have access to. The structure is what matters. The story is what matters. The positioning is what gets you hired. Let's walk through it. Your video resume needs 3 things: who you help, how you help, one proof point. That's it. 30 seconds. No fluff. No, I'm a hardworking, dedicated professional who... Nobody remembers that. And AI doesn't index cliches. Here's the structure. Line 1, identity. Hi, I'm insert your name, insert your role, who helps, insert who you help. Line 2, your value. I specialize in insert your skills, and I've used them to impact. Line 3, your proof. For example, I recently did a 1 measurable accomplishment. Line 4, your direction. I'm looking for opportunities where I can help insert your future impact. Line 5, your personality. Thanks for watching. I'm excited to bring value where it matters. Short, confident, AI readable, human memorable. Let me show you how to turn that into a Sora-style video sequence. Whether you're using Sora-2 or something simpler like HeyGen, you'll want to structure your video like this. Scene 1, 3 to 5 seconds, a clean, professional AI shot of you sitting or standing in a modern workspace. Prompt example for Sora or HeyGen, a confident bronze-skinned woman in a modern office setting, soft lighting, professional attire, smiling warmly. Script for Scene 1. Hi, I'm insert your name, a mentor from IT who helps insert the audience you serve. Scene 2, 5 to 6 seconds, cut to a motion graphic or AI-generated visual showing your role in action. Prompt example, a data analyst at a laptop reviewing dashboards in an office. Script for Scene 2. I specialize in insert your skills, and I've used them to insert your impact. Scene 3, 6 to 7 seconds, show quick visualization of your proof. Charts, mock portfolios, or project storyboard. Prompt, a simplified motion graphic of charts increasing, clean and modern. Script for Scene 3. For example, I recently insert your measurable accomplishment. Scene 4, 6 to 7 seconds, return to your AI avatar or your on-camera shot. Prompt, a confident professional speaking directly to the viewer with a warm, sincere expression. Script for Scene 4. I'm looking for opportunities where I can help insert your future impact. Scene 5, 5 seconds. Close with a strong personality moment. A smile, a slight nod, or a confident look. Script for Scene 5. Thanks for watching. I'm excited to bring value where it matters. That's it. A perfect bite-sized video resume built for 2025 hiring and compatible with every AI recruiter tool on the market. Now let's make yours step by step. Let's write yours right now. Pause the video after each question and answer it out loud or in a note on your phone. 1. Who do you help? Example, I help small teams streamline operations. 2. How do you help them? Example, by automating reports using Excel and Power BI. 3. What's one measurable win? Example, I reduced onboarding time by 18% last quarter. 4. What type of opportunity are you looking for next? Example, a role where I can improve reporting efficiency and support cross-functional teams. Now combine your answers using the 30-second formula. Let's build a few examples. Across different roles so you can see how powerful this really is. Hi, I'm Maya, a marketing operations specialist who helps B2B teams optimize campaigns. I use HubSpot, GA4, and automation tools to streamline reporting and increase ROI. Recently, I reduced cost per lead by 22% by automating campaign dashboards. I'm looking for a role where I can optimize workflows and drive measurable growth. Project coordinator example. Hi, I'm Devin, a project coordinator who helps teams deliver work on time and on budget. I specialize in Asana, Excel, and workflow documentation to keep teams aligned. Last quarter, I improved project delivery time by 14% by tightening communication loops. I'm excited to support a team where clarity and efficiency matter. HR People Operations example. Hi, I'm Tasha, a People Operations coordinator focused on improving employee experience. I streamline onboarding, manage HRIS systems, and support culture-driven initiatives. I recently reduced onboarding errors by 40% with a revised checklist process. I'm seeking a role where I can improve processes and support employee engagement. Data analyst example. Hi, I'm Jordan, a data analyst who helps companies make smarter decisions. I work with SQL, Power BI, and predictive modeling to uncover insights. I recently helped reduce supply chain delays by 12% through trend forecasting. I'm looking for opportunities where data can drive strategy. See how clean that is? Short, precise, AI readable, human memorable. Here's the truth. Most job seekers won't have access to Sora 2 yet, and that's totally fine. Because your story, your script is the real asset. The tool is just the camera. Here are free or affordable alternatives you can use right now. HeyGen, best for avatars that look like you. Pictory.ai, great for turning your script into animated scenes. Animoto, simple templates, very beginner friendly. Canva Video, easy drag and drop timeline with your script. CapCut, perfect if you want to add captions and pacing manually. Use what you have today. Upgrade later when Sora 2 becomes publicly available. Here's the workflow to get your video done in 1 hour. Step 1, write your 30-second script, 10 minutes. Use the formula above. Step 2, create your scenes, 10 minutes. Pick 3 to 5 visuals based on your story. Step 3, generate your AI shots, 15 minutes. Use HeyGen or similar tools. Step 4, add text captions, 10 minutes. AI recruiters read captions too. Step 5, export and upload, 15 minutes. Add it to your LinkedIn featured section, portfolio, job application folder, personal About Me link. Done. You've just built your first AI-powered video resume. Creating a video resume is not about competing with other candidates. It's about giving recruiters clarity in a world full of noise. It's about making your value obvious. It's about showing, not hiding, who you are. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to reveal you, to amplify your presence, to bring your skills forward in a way text never could. If this video helped you, click the thumbs up. It helps more job seekers find the tools they need. And make sure you subscribe, because every week I teach you how to thrive in the AI-driven job market, simply, clearly, and confidently. And when you're ready for the next step, watch the next video in this series, Higgsfield, How to Collaborate with AI to Build a Team Portfolio Project. I'll show you how to create collaborative proof of work that makes your skills unforgettable. The future of work rewards people who show their value, not just list it. This video helped you take a step in that direction. Let's keep building your advantage. I'll see you tomorrow.